Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem, first of all, this is the horizontal tabletop, the rough horizontal tabletop, a block kept over it. Then this is a pulley, massless frictionless pulley, massless thread passing over it, joining the two blocks. Suppose this is block A, this is block B. Mass of block B, that is 6.00 kilograms, so its weight 6.00 G will be acting vertically down, tension T in the string, in both the segments of the string about this pulley, the same tension. Here this block A is having a mass 8 kg, so its weight 8.00 G acting vertically down, so normal reaction N acting up, which will be equal to 8.00 G using Newton's third law of motion. As the block A will be moving towards right, so force of friction, kinetic friction, will be acting towards left. Initial speed of both of the blocks, that is 0.900 meter per second, and finally the system comes to rest, so Vf will become 0 after covering a distance of 2.00 meter. So starting with block B, for block B, using work energy theorem, work done on this block B, that will be equal to the force acting on it, which is 6G downward minus tension T upward. This is the net force acting on it multiplied by the distance travelled by it, and that should be equal to change in its kinetic energy. Finally it comes to rest, so final kinetic energy 0, initial kinetic energy half into mass into 0.9 square. So here it becomes, if we consider G to be 10 meter per second square, so this is 120 minus 2T is equal to minus 2.43. so finally this tension T in the string, that is calculated to be equal to 61.215 Newton. Now for block A, again using same work energy theorem, work done on A, that is net force T minus force of friction multiplied by the distance, which is again the same 2 meter, that is also equal to change in kinetic energy 0 minus half m 8 and V 0.9 is square. Tension T we have found it to be equal to 61.215 minus for the force of friction, that is given as mu k times normal reaction N, which is equal to mg. Mg means 8G, and multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 4 0.81. so here we get it to be given as 80 times mu k is equal to 61.215 plus 1.62. so finally mu k is calculated to be equal to 0.78, which is the answer for this given problem here. Thank you.